Alright, good morning. Before I work out, I just wanted to um, make this quick little video. I did get a few concerns about limitations on technology. I'm doing these videos because I can put them on YouTube and everybody has access to YouTube. And the things that I'm creating or trying to create are for parents as much as students. I think you guys have become the real full-time teachers, so I just want to equip you as best as I can. Um, so what's nice about Google is the things that we're going to be using you can use on the phone, laptop, um, a tablet. So there's multiple ways Google's kind of become extremely powerful in that they can reach all types of technology. So um, today I want to, hopefully you guys thought about the type of schedule you want to have. If you want to just keep doing what you're doing or add some things in, I mean, it's up to you. One thing my wife found that she liked was on Khan Academy, they have if you Google this, they have this, the very first option is remote learning, and then they give you a daily schedule to kind of help you along your journey depending on the age of the kid. So this is another great resource. Again, this isn't something that you have to do. It's up to you. So you can gear it towards 6th grade if you want. You can move it back an hour if you want to keep them getting up early and going to bed around this time. It's up to you. But there's another resource for you. I was looking back here, which is a webinar. You click here starting tomorrow. It talks about setting a daily schedule for young kids at this time period. This could be for the younger brothers and sisters. This could be for 6th grade. This could be for your middle schoolers if you need. Teachers, this is something for me, but I mean, to me, we're all teachers right now. So, office hours, talk to an expert Khan teacher, much like we're doing in our 6th grade cohort. You could do with actual other professionals in case you have questions. So that's one thing I wanted to show you this morning. Another thing is today we're going to focus on getting them logged in their school Gmail. If you're having issues with logging in, just let me know. I have all the username and passwords. I logged in my son's account, Tyler, using his credentials from East, because he's a 4th grader there. So I keep him logged in. One thing cool about Chrome is like any other app you log into. It's like Gmail. You have a username and password for Chrome, and because he stays logged in, like this is his Chrome page, he can add whatever bookmarks he wants. So if he wants to bookmark Khan Academy, he goes here. He does his thing and log in. Maybe he'll log in with the school account. And we also created him an account. His mom and I did here. So if they're logged in on their school account, they should be able to continue with Google. We'll see how that works. And what's nice about that is I can assign them stuff. And then Natalie's on here too, my daughter. This is her non-school account. So we'll allow the school account. So Miss Thompson, if she wants to send, if she has Khan Academy set up, she can send Tyler stuff. get that going. How old are you? He's 9. And he's in 4th. I mean, he can learn. If you want him to learn high school stuff, I guess you can do other stuff. Typically, I like to get my kids set up in other things too, but for his school account, well, they're making me choose. Okay, well, I'll just choose them all then. Alright, so now I can add him in my personal account or my school account here. If I set up a class for him, he has a class through me, my personal account, that I assign him stuff. He could join that class, and I would see this pop up when I go to assign stuff. And I'll get into assigning stuff in another thing. I just want to show you guys the power of Chrome, to have them log in their school accounts, hopefully. If not, fine, we can work with that. And then you drag this down, and all of a sudden it stays here. So now, instead of doing the whole thing I did by Googling Chrome or Khan, he opens his Chrome up, and whatever he needs is there. It's already logged in because he's logged into Chrome. Boom. He can go to, and this can be done on a phone. The hard part is getting, if it's your personal phone as an adult, creating a Chrome profile for your kid and then keeping it signed in. That's kind of, I haven't done it because I have my own phone and they have theirs, but you could try it. Another thing is their Gmail is already hooked up. Tillamook District 9 email. And now, so hopefully today we can get them on their school Gmail, and hopefully if you have a tablet or a phone or a computer, I don't know about phones, but that's a good question. Let me see. You know what? I have a Google phone right here, and I click on Chrome, and on the top right there's 3 dots. I'm going to click that. Maybe if I request a desktop site, let's see, settings. Okay, so it does have it has my account. Let's see. Oh, I can sign into Google through my school. Oh, cool. I didn't even know you could do that. So, I actually did do that. So you can do it. Man, Google is awesome. You can do it on any medium. The apps we'll be using. So let me go back to mine. So the apps we'll be using, or hopefully we can get signed up today, are Classroom and Meet. And we can worry about other stuff, some other day. So, Meet, getting the app installed if you don't have it, making sure you're signed into it. I can switch accounts if I need to. Classes, here's my core class. Here's the kids I get when my kids go to writing. I'm signed in. I can sign out, add another account. So let's work on that today, and then I'll check up on you guys. I don't know, halfway through the day. Get our own kids going, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I did make a throwaway phone number for parents if you need to contact me. It's 503-564-8014. I will text you from that number at some point today, and we can just figure this out. If you have any questions, I was going to just go through Dojo, but I'm going to throw this number away at the end of the year anyway, so let me know. And you guys have a great morning. And good morning, by the way.